بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth glorifies Allah. Kingship belongs only to Him, and only to Him belongs all praise, and He is powerful over all things.
هو الذي خلقكم فمنكم كافر ومنكم مؤمن والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who has created you. So amongst you someone is a disbeliever, and amongst you someone is a Muslim, and Allah is observing your actions.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق وصوركم فأحسن صوركم وإليه المصير.
He made the heavens and the earth with the truth and shaped you. So He made your shape excellent, and only towards Him is the return.
يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون والله عليم بذات الصدور.
He knows whatever is in the heavens and in the earth, and He knows what you hide and what you disclose. And Allah knows what is within the hearts.
ألم يأتكم نبأ الذين كفروا من قبل فذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Did the news of those who disbelieved before you not reach you? And they tasted the evil outcome of their deeds in this world, and for them in the hereafter is a painful punishment.
ذلك بأنه كانت تأتيهم رسلهم بالبينات فقالوا أبشر يهدوننا فكفروا وتولوا واستغنى الله والله غني حميد.
This is because that their messengers would bring clear proof to them. So they said, will mankind show us the way? Consequently, they became disbelievers and turned away, and Allah did not care about them, and Allah is the independent, the most praiseworthy.
زعم الذين كفروا أن لن يبعثوا قل بلى وربي لتبعثن ثم لتنبؤن بما عملتم وذلك على الله يسير.
The disbelievers blabbered that they will never be resurrected. Say you, O beloved, why not? By my Lord, you will definitely be resurrected, and you will then be informed of your misdeeds, and this is easy for Allah.
فآمنوا بالله ورسوله والنور الذي أنزلنا والله بما تعملون خبير.
Therefore, believe in Allah and His Messenger, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, and that light, i.e., the Quran, which we have sent down, and Allah is aware of what you do.
يوم يجمعكم ليوم الجمع ذلك يوم التغابن ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يكفر عنه سيئاته ويدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
The day when He will gather you on the day of gathering all, that is the day of exposing the loss of the losers, and whosoever believes in Allah and does good deeds, Allah will remove his sins and admit him into gardens beneath which rivers flow, that they abide therein forever. Only this is the great success.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار خالدين فيها وبئس المصير.
And those who disbelieved and belied our verses, they are the people of the fire, remaining in it forever. And what a wretched outcome.
ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم.
No misfortune befalls except by Allah's command, and whosoever believes in Allah, Allah will guide his heart, and Allah knows everything.
وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن توليتم فإنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين.
And obey Allah and obey His Messenger. Then if you turn your face away, so know that upon our Messenger is only to convey the message clearly.
الله لا إله إلا هو وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
It is Allah, except whom there is no one worthy of worship, and upon only Allah the believers should rely.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن من أزواجكم وأولادكم عدوا لكم فاحذروهم وإن تعفوا وتصفحوا وتغفروا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O believers, some of your wives and children are your enemies. Therefore, be wary of them. And if you pardon and overlook and forgive their errors, so indeed Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
إنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة والله عنده أجر عظيم.
Your wealth and your children are just a trial for you, and with Allah is a tremendous reward.
فاتقوا الله ما استطعتم واسمعوا وأطيعوا وأنفقوا خيرا لأنفسكم ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
Therefore, fear Allah as much as possible and listen to the command of Allah and obey the command and spend in the path of Allah for your own good. And whoever is rescued from the greed of his own soul, only they are the successful.
إن تقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعفه لكم ويغفر لكم والله شكور حليم.
If you lend a good loan to Allah, He will double it for you and forgive you, and Allah is most appreciative, most forbearing.
عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الحكيم.
The knower of all hidden and visible aspects of everything, the most honorable, the wise.
صدق الله العظيم.